Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Maeda, lillahi mulku as-samawati wal-ardi wa ma fihinna wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. Translation: Unto Allah belong the sovereignty of the heavens and the earth and whatever is between them, and He is all powerful to do everything. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Today we are finishing Surah Al-Maeda, and in this ayah Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning all the topics covered in this ayah, since all the creation of this world and skies and whatever is in between and each and everything belongs to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He is the King of the kings and He has the absolute power and absolute authority. That is the reason He makes the laws that He wishes to make, and His laws are based on His absolute authority and absolute wisdom. So all the laws of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala are perfect, and there is no deviation or no deficiency in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's laws. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can make anything halal or permissible, and He can make anything haram or forbidden. He can give the punishment to the sinners and criminals in this world and hereafter whatever He wishes, and He can forgive whomever He wishes. He can do whatever He wants to do, and nobody can challenge Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and He has the complete authority on everything. So we have finished, alhamdulillah, the 5 surahs of the Quran and the first group of the Makki and Madani surahs. And first surah, Surah Fatiha, was the Makki surah, and although it was very small in volume, but in its meaning and its depth, it is very, very profound. And in Surah Hijr, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned that we have given you, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, 7 ayahs that are recited again and again, and a Quran which is full of greatness. And the ulama have said that this ayah is about the Surah Fatiha. The other surahs, Al-Baqarah, Ali Imran, An-Nisa, and Surah Al-Maeda, are in the form of pairs. One pair is Surah Al-Baqarah and Ali Imran, and one pair is An-Nisa and Maida. And all these 4 surahs have the topics that are shared and common in these. And these topics can be summarized as the Sharia or the law of Islam, the address to the people of the book, their mistakes and sins and their false beliefs are challenged and denied, invitation to the people of the book towards Islam, and mentioning their important events in their history. And also mentioned that they were deposed from the status of leaders of Ummah-e-Muslimah, and they had that for the past 2000 years, and the coronation of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam on this position as the leader of the Ummah of Muslims for the rest of the world. These topics are completed in these surahs to the final level. Inshallah al-Aziz, we will start Surah An'am tomorrow from the first Ramadan, and let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept our effort, put barakah in it, and make this a reason of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's pleasure to us. Ameen. Ramadan Kareem to all of us, inshallah. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.